Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into a battle of the titans. The MacBook Pro M4, the Asus Zenbook Duo 14, and the MSI Creator Z17HX Studio. These are three of the most powerful and innovative laptops on the market right now, each with its own unique strengths and weaknesses. But before you go shopping, stick around until the end of the video where I'll reveal my overall winner and share some valuable tips and considerations to help you make the best choice. And don't forget to check the description box below for links to the latest prices and deals on these laptops. And finally, a huge thanks to all of you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and comparisons. Your support means the world to me. Let's get started. The MacBook Pro M4 is a true powerhouse, easily vying for the title of the best laptop on the market today. After spending weeks with it, I'm consistently blown away by its performance and refinement. Let's talk about the display. Apple's nanotexture technology is a revelation. Forget the frustrating glare of traditional laptop screens. This display is a masterpiece, minimizing reflections to an almost imperceptible level while maintaining stunning color accuracy and deep, inky blacks. Whether you're working outdoors on a sunny afternoon or battling the glare of office lights, the M4's screen remains a joy to behold, making it incredibly comfortable for long work sessions. Battery life is simply astonishing. I consistently surpassed 18 hours of web surfing, effortlessly outlasting even the already impressive endurance of its predecessor. This laptop truly embodies the spirit of all-day computing, freeing you from the constant anxiety of finding a charger. Performance? Let's just say the M4 leaves no room for doubt. From demanding photo and video editing tasks to juggling a dozen apps simultaneously, this machine handles everything with effortless grace. The new Apple Intelligence features like the significantly improved Siri and the incredibly helpful writing tools truly elevate the user experience, making everyday tasks more efficient and enjoyable. The addition of dual external display support is a long-awaited feature that significantly enhances the M4's versatility. Whether you're a developer, a creative professional, or simply someone who thrives with a multi-monitor setup, the M4 delivers. While the overall performance is exceptional, I did notice that SSD speeds were slightly slower than the previous generation, which was a minor disappointment. For gamers, while the M4 can certainly handle many games, don't expect to push the boundaries of performance on the most demanding titles. For the ultimate gaming experience, you'll likely want to step up to the M4 Pro or Max with their more powerful GPUs. The MacBook Pro M4 is an exceptional laptop that sets a new benchmark for performance and user experience. Its stunning display, incredible battery life, and powerful performance make it a true joy to use. If you're in the market for a premium laptop that can handle anything you throw at it, the M4 deserves a top spot on your shortlist. The Asus Zenbook Duo 14 is a captivating laptop that redefines the boundaries of computing. Its unique dual-screen design isn't just a gimmick, it's a transformative feature that unlocks a new level of productivity and creativity. Imagine a world where your workspace expands beyond the confines of a single display. The Zenbook Duo brings this vision to life with two stunning 14-inch OLED panels. The primary display delivers vibrant visuals with deep blacks and rich colors, while the secondary touchscreen offers a versatile canvas for multitasking, note-taking, and creative exploration. The performance of this machine is equally impressive. Powered by the latest Intel Core Ultra 9 processor, it effortlessly tackles demanding tasks like video editing, content creation, and even some light gaming. Coupled with a generous 32 GB of RAM and a spacious 2 TB SSD, this laptop provides ample power and storage for even the most demanding users. But it's more than just raw power. It's a thoughtfully designed machine that prioritizes user experience. The inclusion of a stylus elevates the creative potential, allowing for intuitive drawing, sketching, and note-taking directly on the screen. The detachable Bluetooth keyboard offers a comfortable and responsive typing experience, while the inclusion of a dedicated numeric keypad adds convenience for data entry. While it excels in many areas, it's not without its minor shortcomings. The speakers, though loud, can sound a bit harsh at higher volumes, and the webcam could benefit from an upgrade in image quality. Additionally, the laptop's size and weight, while manageable, may not be ideal for those who prioritize extreme portability above all else. However, these minor drawbacks are easily overshadowed by the Zenbook Duo's innovative design and exceptional performance. This is a laptop that truly pushes the boundaries of what's possible, offering a unique and captivating computing experience that will appeal to professionals, creators, and anyone seeking a truly unique and versatile machine. It's more than just a laptop. It's a statement piece, a testament to Asus's commitment to innovation and a glimpse into the future of computing. The MSI Creator Z17HX Studio is a powerful and capable laptop aimed squarely at creative professionals. It boasts impressive performance, a stunning display, and a robust build, making it a compelling option for demanding workflows. However, its lack of upgradability is a significant drawback. While the laptop offers impressive performance thanks to its powerful Intel Core i9 processor and NVIDIA RTX 4070 GPU, the limited access to internal components restricts future upgrades, which is crucial for a long-term investment. Despite this limitation, it excels in several key areas. The display is a standout feature, delivering exceptional color accuracy and vibrant visuals. MSI's True Color software provides a user-friendly interface for color calibration, ensuring accurate color reproduction for demanding creative tasks. The build quality is also top-notch. The solid aluminum chassis feels incredibly robust and exudes a premium aesthetic. The keyboard, while not the most tactile, offers a comfortable typing experience with per-key RGB lighting. However, the touchpad could benefit from improved multi-touch gesture recognition, and the included stylus, while functional, is not ideal for serious creative work. While it offers impressive performance and a stunning display, the lack of upgradability is a significant concern. Creative professionals often need to upgrade their systems over time to keep pace with evolving software and workflows. The limited access to internal components restricts this flexibility, potentially limiting the laptop's longevity. If upgradability is a non-negotiable requirement, exploring alternatives like the Asus ProArt Studio Book 16 OLED, the Gigabyte Aero 16 OLED, or even MSI's own Z16HX Studio might be more suitable. These options often offer competitive performance, excellent displays, and greater upgradability at more competitive price points. Ultimately, the MSI Creator Z17HX Studio is a powerful and capable laptop with a compelling feature set. However, the lack of upgradability is a significant drawback that potential buyers should carefully consider. In 2025, the MacBook Pro M4, Asus Zenbook Duo 14, and MSI Creator Z17HX Studio each cater to different needs. The MacBook Pro M4 excels in battery life, seamless performance, and all-around refinement, making it the ideal choice for most users, especially Mac enthusiasts. The Asus Zenbook Duo 14 offers a unique dual-screen experience perfect for multitaskers and creatives, though its portability and niche appeal may limit its audience. The MSI Creator Z17HX Studio delivers top-tier performance and a vibrant display for professionals, but is held back by its lack of upgradability. The overall winner is MacBook Pro M4 for its balance of power, portability, and usability, though the Zenbook Duo and MSI Creator shine in specific scenarios.